In AutoCAD, I can easily restore or save a particular view that I want in my project. Let's just zoom for these extents, and it brings me to the edges of my project, or let's say the plan view that I have. And for example, let's say I want to make a particular view for this stairs right here. As I put my cursor on it, it will highlight. The only way to do that for the views is the view manager. I go at this word, view controls, I click and it gives me a list of let's say view, it's on top and bottom, left, or whatever, just equivalent to this cube, viewing cube that I have. But for now I'll just go straight ahead to my view manager. As I click on it, it brings me this dialog box, and I'll hit the model views, and it shows me the model views that I have earlier and the ones that I made before. But since it's new, so I'll make a new one. I'll hit new. It gives me another window, let's say. Right here you can put the name for your view. Let's say it's staircase A, for example. It's just an example. It doesn't have to be all uppercase or lowercase. It's just a name so you can recognize it. For the category, so it's easier for you to find in here, and you can put other views in that category. It's plan views. If it's only none, you can edit anything. For example, I'll just say plan view 1, and the view type, it's, you can put cinematic or still recorded walk, but for me I will choose still. It's just a view. I don't want it to be anything special. In the boundary, I have two options: current display and define window. For the current display, it just takes whatever is in the background. It's not what I want. I just want a specific place, so I want to define that window. As I click, it takes me all the way to the project that I have, or the plan that I have. You can zoom in and zoom out easily. Make sure that you see your object that you want to put, and you click and drag. Make sure that you take all of the case of the staircase and click. You see it highlighted only the area that I selected, and the other one is just light gray. So by that you can see. View specify first corner, or press enter to accept. I'll just press enter. I like this view. If you take this one right here, it will save the layers for that view that you made, and the other ones I don't recommend that you would play with that. But for the background, I'll just use the default. I don't want to change it. I want to be the same as my project. And this box right here is more for 3D options, to save some properties with the view and whatever. I'll just neglect that because it's a 2D dimension plan view, let's say. So if I hit OK, already exists, because I already did that, but you won't get that box. So I'll just replace it, and there it is. I have staircase A that I made. Apply and OK. Now as I zoom out to the extents, and if I want to check my views or the other ones that I did, you can check and do these windows or this one right here, but for me that's enough. I just wanted to show you what I did. I go to top, and I can show whatever I did previously by view manager, or you can easily just go to the custom model views, and there it is, staircase A. Why would you go there and couple clicks and stuff when it's just one click away? I'll just click right there, and there it is, my view that I just made.